Okay, we're starting with a pinch. Second finger on the first string, thumb on the fourth string, followed immediately by the index on the second string and the thumb on the third string. Now that's one whole module. But that's just the starting module for a continuous roll. So the continuous roll will happen when you reach the end, and the next note is going to be a single second finger on the first string, followed by the bass string again with a thumb, followed by the first finger on the second string, followed by the thumb on the third string. So now that's the second module. So when you play the two together, you've got the pinch, and you can now go on ad infinitum with that. I'll do it just a little bit faster so as you can see how it works. Now you can also do a pinch starting with your index finger on the second string, and you can get a similar effect by playing the pinch, but then the next note is going to be your first string and the third string. So you're going, but it has the same thing because it gets you into the same roll. Now, if you're going to play the melody, you use these pinches to emphasize the melody bits. And actually what happens is you miss out the half count before the main beat. So if you were counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, you miss out one of the ands. In other words, you pause. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that little pause is to give you time to get both fingers in position for whatever pinch it is. Pause. Pause. That was a little bit of syncopation there, I didn't mean to happen. So that's the key to it, the pinch followed by the roll, which allows you to do a continuous roll, but to break that roll you have to miss out the half count before your next pinch. Pause.